In this video, we will learn how to prepare 0.1 normal solution of potassium dichromate. Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, Source of Skills. Please like and subscribe for more informative videos. Required apparatus and chemicals are a weight balance, potassium dichromate, distilled water in a beaker, stirrer, empty beaker, spatula, funnel, and a volumetric flask of 1000 milliliters. Let's do some calculations. First of all, we have to find out the normality, and normality is equal to number of gram equivalent weight divided by volume of solution, which is 1000 milliliters. So molecular weight will be equal to 39.10 into 2 for potassium, plus 52 for chromate, plus 16 into 7 for oxygen. So molecular weight is 294.2 grams per mole. We know that gram equivalent weight is equal to molecular weight divided by acidity. So equivalent weight is equal to 294.2 divided by 6, because acidity of potassium dichromate is 6. So, gram equivalent weight is 49.03 grams. We know that we required 49.03 grams for 1 normal. But we have to find out 0.1 normal. So, multiply 0.1 on both sides for 0.1 normal solution. We have to add 4.9 grams of potassium dichromate. Let's start preparation. First of all, take a weight balance and power it on. Now, put Petri dish on it. Don't forget to tear it down. Now start adding potassium dichromate into the Petri dish with the help of spatula. Weight precisely up to 4.9 grams. Now add the potassium dichromate into the distilled water. You can take distilled water up to 300 milliliters for mixing. You have to make homogeneous mixture. Now pour all the solution into the volumetric flask with the help of the funnel. You have to fill the volumetric flask up to the 1000 milliliter point. For that you have to add more distilled water. So, take distilled water into an empty beaker and start pouring it into the volumetric flask. We have successfully prepared 0.1 normal solution of potassium dichromate. You can store it in storage bottle. Thanks for watching this video.